My name is Erich Menge, and I'm a chiropractor in South Florida. When I think about my wife, I think that I always default to that wisdom that I get from her. Her wisdom and her grounding of me helps me get through my day. You know, someone the other day made a reference to the TV show, My Three Sons, and I never thought of it before. I remember that show. I remember watching it on TV in black and white, and I'm the father of three sons. When I talk about caring and I think about my message, about what I do every day, my family motivates me. They keep me grounded. When I get to my office, I'm usually loaded up, walking up the stairs, thinking to myself, okay, this is my day, this is my time to be on and to be taking care of other people who suffer and who have pain, who have difficulty, and or who are looking to hit a better golf ball or to throw a better baseball. That's my start of my day. You know, life is all about transitions. I had an opportunity after a cycling accident and an opportunity to move to Europe, to meet a whole different culture and to work within a culture, developing a business that ultimately became a very concrete way for me to understand what my purpose was. And to meet people where I was not as easily able to use words to communicate, but they often say that when you can't speak the language, you use your hands and your feet. I've come to understand that a lot of times people have a hard time communicating to me about how they're feeling when they come into my office and try to tell me about their pain or their discomfort, when if you just sit back and listen to what they're saying, you will hear more about what is going on in their life. They are aware of the fact then that you are hope. Acoustic compression therapy uses a unique sound wave technology. The application of PiezoWave2 technology is simple. It has an ability to identify discomfort that a patient already knows that he has or she has, and follows that pattern of pain that they complain of. You know, people come to my office and they say, you know, it hurts right here. But it travels down my arm, or it travels down my leg, it travels across my rib cage. When used for treatment of that discomfort, this device is amazing. It actually produces or travels through that region of that person's discomfort, relieving that discomfort in that pattern. And when you have a tool that identifies a pain that the patient realizes, and then it has the ability to trace the pattern of pain that they talk to you about, you have struck a pot of gold in terms of finding a tool that traces a pattern of pain that someone is familiar with, and then removing the pattern of pain, which I've clinically seen in my office. I think about my story and my message in what I do every day. That story is a story of serving. I feel that my relationships with my kids and my relationship with my wife and my relationships with my patients, they're all relationships. I have a unique opportunity, as much as I do serve my family, my wife and my kids, to serve the people in my office. I believe that those experiences in my life, whatever they may be, working in Europe and working in California and being of an innovatively inspired person to want to help other people, I believe that that is my goal and that is my story.